Hola.
Going to the farm. When we go to the family farm, we make a stop at this small town called La Virginia. I love this little town. It's full of energy, full of life. This is Colombia. You get away from the city, you get in these small towns, and you really get to see the culture. Right now we're getting all the ingredients at this little market right here so that we can make Sancocho when we go up to the farm tonight. It's gonna be amazing. I'm gonna take you along for the ride.
Bendito Dios, que más personas tengan comida. Amén.
Amén. What are we eating here, señor?
Sancocho.
Sancocho.
Es un sancocho.
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 And we made it on the fire.
Sancocho hecho en fogón de leña. Está acompañado con aguacate. ¿Cuál es? Está muy rico.
I used to get so tired of trail horses, and the horses here, when you know how to ride, you don't need any horses in front of you. You just ride. I love it. We are definitely up in the mountains. Switch. All right, let's go. Switch. So my brother-in-law said we were going to walk to the fence. We've been in the jungle now for 3 days. We have no water. We thought we heard civilization, but it was really a couple of bears or something out here. But yeah, we might make it.